Right, so let's try out the long tone test. It's basically a parody of the high range test, but it's long tone. So let's do this. I cannot do this, I'm just laughing. Alright, take two, because I was laughing and that did not count. I want to say that I have already tried this a few times and it's just not working. Fuck! Okay, this time I swear I'm not gonna laugh. I'm not. Don't laugh. I'm already laughing. Fuck. Why? Why was I born this way? I just laugh at anything. Okay, this is the last time I try it out, because I'm tired of laughing my ass off. I just want to try to actually do this. I could have done it! Okay, I found the trick. This is the last time I do it, I swear. I could do it. The problem is my breath. It's the air. It's the fucking air. I could do it.